Today I'm doing my Saving with Friends binder, and I have 2 5s and a whole bunch of 1s. I think like 34 ones. And we're gonna start back here. And I got my 3-sided die. So 2, 3, 1, 1, and back to the front, 2, and that's the first 5, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, which is the last 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, and I have a couple more. 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. I have 1 left, so I'm going to put it there. Okay. And then next week I'll start here. Okay. This one's going to be done. Let's see. These are only needed 2 more, so I'm going to put the rest in that one. So 2, and this one I saved 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. And then we'll start this one with 5, 6, 7. And then this one is from Windmill Ridge Budget Some More, and it got 3, and this one needed 1. And then this one, Save with Kitties from Cindy Cat Budgets, and it got 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2, 3, 4. And then this cute penguin's from Saving with Tiffany, and it got 1. Move this. What's going on? Hold on. Okay. And then this one's from DIY Budget, Diva budgeting on YouTube. We got 2, 1, 2. And then this one's Disney Savings from MS Mom Budgets. I got 1. So I'll do 1 cross. Or slash. And then Anna Banana Budgets. Got 1, 2, 3. So 1 and 2. And then Ellie on Earth got 1. And then this one's Julie's Pages got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then Anna Banana Budgets got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this one only needed 4. So I guess I'll just put, I'll just save the 5 or save the 3. And this one I saved $20. Oh, it should have 20, 24, 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 23. Let's see. 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23. I don't know, I'm $1 short. So that one's done. And I'm gonna put for next week, budget your life. Oh, wait, I have 5 in here still. Hold on. Let's see. My brain's not working today. Oh, I really messed it up. Let's see. This one should have 24, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay. And then this one should have 24. 5, 10, 15. Wait, I still have money in here. Oh, no, I don't. 5, 10, 15, 20. I'll go with that, and then I'll put these 3 into that one. Okay. I'll put 3. Okay, and then last up is from Angela Marie 888, her November challenge, and I got 2. Okay. And then this money, I'm gonna save half of it for my 1 month ahead I started. And let's see how much I saved total. It should be 48, I think. Let's see. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. So 10, 15, 20. I'll put 25 into my, I'll do this a different day. I'll put 25 into here when I do it again. And this is my 1 month ahead. You guys didn't watch my group play video. I got these dashboards from Budgeting with Elma for 1 month ahead. It's rent, utilities, miscellaneous, buffer, and she made these other ones: membership, subscriptions, gas or propane, and then she has these month ahead fully funded. And they're on her Ko-fi. And so, and then the rest of the money I'm gonna save for Christmas, which I'll do in another video. But that's all I have for today. I hope you guys are having a great start of the week. I'll see you in the next video.